The biggest lie I was ever told when I was going through my heartbreak is that time heals all wounds. It doesn't. Time just passes. And if you don't actively work on your wounds, then you're just suppressing them even further. Because the healing journey requires you to be an active participant. You cannot just read all the books or watch all these videos and become healed. You need to actually do the work of examining your own life, understanding your own patterns, and then actively rewire them to heal and become a better version of yourself. Because sure, you will feel better with time. You will get over your heartbreak eventually, even if you don't do anything about it. But when the time comes and you get into a new relationship, chances are you might just repeat the same patterns. The same circumstances will come up with a new person, and you'll be stuck on that loop of blaming other people, saying all men or women are toxic and there's nobody good out there. But the truth is, nothing changes until you change. And I get it. It's uncomfortable. But when I went through my heartbreak, I wish that someone had told me that it's okay to lean into that discomfort, to feel everything, to not resist emotions. And sometimes that's really hard to do alone, I know. But I believe in you and me. If you need help, I'm here for you. You can join my 30-day tapping journey to heal your heartbreak. I promise you, by day 14, you will be a different person. You will heal so much of that baggage, and you will unpack a lot, release a lot, and you will be shocked at how fast you can go from heartbreak to magnetic in under 30 days. I hope to see you in there. Thank you for watching. Ask me any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.